Page.title is a built-in locator method from Playwright. It returns a string with the current page title, and it's usually a string located in the title tags and inside the header tag. Now let's see how this page.title can be used in this coming example. In this example, I want to get a title from this lambda test page. So let's see how the title looks like. So we know like what data we should get. So the title will be inside the header, and you can see it's wrapped with the title tag here. Selenium Grid Online run Selenium tests on cloud. So this is the data that I want to get. Now let's go to our VS Code. Open the VS Code and then navigate to the project that we just created earlier. So go to the test folder where we store our Playwright test script. On there, just click on the test folder and then click on a file icon to create the spec file for this. So I will name this spec file as test title.spec.js. And now let's import the Playwright function for the test. So import test function from Playwright from Playwright test. And now after we finish importing the Playwright test function, let's use this function to create a test case. In order to do so, just type test, give a definition of this test case. Let's say get page title, and also calling the asynchronous function. Pass down the page object, don't forget it, since this asynchronous function where we will do our code here. So this is the way that we set up the test method. And now in this test function or method, let's go to the page where we want to get the data. So in order to go to this page, let's type in await page dot go to and pass down the URL of the page where we want to get the title. And since now we are already calling a function to go to this page, now we need to get the title from this page. So earlier, we see that this page is in the title tag, right? So we use the page.title built-in function where Playwright will go to this site and get the title for us. Let's type in await page.title. Now we want to display this title in the console, so we have to wrap this title code in the console here. Another way you can use a variable to assign this page.title value into a variable and then use the console to display. So, but now just a simple way, we're just going with a straightforward by using the console directly with the page.title code. And now let's run this test case. So in order to run, let's type in npx playwright test. Define the location where the test case is. In this case, it's in the test folder, and also the file name is test title.spec.js, and we want to run it on Chrome. not on any other browser. If you don't define the project as Chrome, it will trigger all of the 3 type browser like Firefox, Safari also, and hit enter. Now the test is running. We have to wait for this automation to be completed. Now it's completed. It's getting the page title and display on this console. So Selenium Grid Online run Selenium test on cloud, so it matches with the one that we looked earlier on the page. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.